In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you've ever wanted your Google Sheets to look cleaner for presenting, sharing, or simply focusing on the content, hiding grid lines is a quick way to create a polished, distraction-free view. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, how to confirm it worked, and how to bring grid lines back whenever you need them. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and making sure you're working in the correct sheet. Look at the tabs along the bottom and click the one you want to edit so it's active. Gridline visibility is controlled per sheet, so this matters. Now go to the top toolbar and click the View menu. In the menu that appears, hover over or select Show. This reveals several view options that you can toggle on or off. Find Gridlines in that list and click it to remove the checkmark. The change is instant. The faint line separating every cell will disappear, giving your sheet a cleaner canvas. Take a moment to review the sheet after the change. Scroll around and make sure the layout looks the way you want. If you still see lines around certain cells, those are likely cell borders you or someone else manually applied using the Borders tool. Borders are different from grid lines and won't be affected by this setting. Your content, formulas, and formatting remain exactly the same. Only the default background lines are hidden. If you're preparing a dashboard, a form-like entry area, or a report for screenshots, this view can help your headings, charts, and key numbers stand out. It's also helpful when you've already added custom borders and don't want the default grid competing with your design. At any time, you can bring the grid lines back. Just repeat the exact same steps. Open the View menu, go to Show, and click Grid Lines again to recheck it. The checkmark means grid lines are visible. No checkmark means they're hidden. Remember, this setting applies to the sheet you're currently viewing, so if you switch to another tab and want the same look, you'll need to toggle it there too. One quick note for sharing and printing. Hiding grid lines affects what you see on screen. Print grid lines are controlled separately in the print settings, so if you plan to print without lines, you'll handle that when you go to print. For everyday on-screen work and presentations, though, the View menu toggle is all you need. That's it. You've learned how to hide grid lines, verify the result, and switch them back on whenever you need them.